Hi there. For many, it'll be a fine start to the weekend, but through the weekend, humidity will climb and pressure will lower. As a result, some thundery rain is expected by Sunday. Could be some thunderstorms floating about overnight, actually, across parts of West Wales into the southwest of England. These will be very hit and miss. Lightning a possibility, heavy rain fairly isolated. There will be a band of rain continuing across central and southern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, northern England as well overnight. This becomes a bit more fragmented later in the night, but it keeps temperatures at around 9, 10, 11 Celsius through this central slice. To the north of that, we're into the cool air. Northern Scotland, under any clear spells, could dip to 2 to 3 Celsius, whilst the warm air remains in the south with temperatures no lower than 15 or 16 Celsius. A bit more cloud around across western and southwestern parts of the UK compared with Friday morning, and always that possibility of a thundery shower during the morning. Now these will tend to ease away during the middle part of the day, and plenty of very warm sunshine across much of England and Wales, even across this central slice where we've seen a wet day on Friday. The rain tends to peter out, leaving an area of cloud, but it turns increasingly dry in many places. Northern Scotland and central Scotland, in fact, a crisp autumnal day with sunny spells, just the odd shower in the far north, but otherwise temperatures at around 14, 15 Celsius typically. But the warmth there continues, as I said, in the south and southeast, 24 to 26 Celsius fairly widely, especially where we get some sunshine. It will be fairly blustery through this central zone where we've got the cloudier skies and the rain petering out. And then, as we go into Saturday night, there's an increased risk of thundery showers developing, initially towards the southwest, drifting into parts of Wales. Again, hit and miss. Not everyone will see one of these, but really the risk increases through the hours of darkness. Northern Scotland, meanwhile, perfect aurora viewing conditions, and it looks like it will be a good night for the aurora. But it will be chilly. The first, I'd say, widespread frost of the season for northern parts of Scotland under those lengthy clear spells and in the cooler airflow. Further south, 17 or 18 Celsius possible by dawn on Sunday because we've got more humid air arriving from the south. An area of low pressure is milling around just off Iberia, and that's just going to reorientate so that we bring more and more humid air northwards, and also the pressure lowers. So the combination of those two factors will lead to an increased risk of thundery showers breaking out initially towards southwestern parts. A drier start to Sunday in the north and the east with some sunshine, but increasingly this humid air moves north. That will lead to a warmer afternoon for Scotland, but a cloudier afternoon, and for many parts of the country, by the afternoon there is some heavy thundery rain. This won't affect everyone. Some places will largely stay dry, but some of this thundery rain will be intense, could cause some issues, lightning as well, an additional hazard. So that's Sunday, and it's still going to be warm as that humidity drifts northwards, but temperatures a bit more limited in the south, I think, given the cloud and those outbreaks of rain. Then as we go into early next week, thundery showers again on the menu for Monday, but as those sweep away, it's going to turn cooler widely across the UK with some areas of low pressure lined up to arrive midweek.